I have 4 rules that go with that. And one is job boards are just one of your many tools in your arsenal. Learn to experiment, be open to feedback, resilient to rejection, and focus on what works. And then luck and hope are not a strategy. All right, so this is module 1, career exploration. So I coined this adage: the best career search starts with research. I promise you it does. It sounds boring, and it is. Or it can be really exciting, because you never know what you don't. If you don't know something, you're never gonna be able to figure it out if you don't start doing the research, right? Luck and hope are not a strategy. One of the unique things in your professional career you do solo, and it requires luck and hope. Like, you have to be hopeful and optimistic. You have to have there is a piece of luck and timing, but most of it, you cannot just wait for somebody to see your resume. Like, there are things that we do during the career search that I think that they mislead people into thinking that they're going to get a job. So I look at the proactive career search as, here are some good things that come out of it: lower rejection levels, higher engagement, feeling of proactive engagement. That feeling of having a conversation with somebody, learning something new, is really important. Ownership and accountability. Like, when you're proactive about something, you're going to own it. You're not just going to wait for someone to reach out to you. Fun little fact. The average job search is 4 months for entry level. And that is like internships, co-ops, things of that nature. And then if you're transitioning, like doing an industry change, it's about 8 months. And what's the average number of jobs that you'll apply to over your lifetime? For entry level, 400 plus, junior with 2 years of experience, 300 plus, and then transitioning and industry change, 600 plus. The amount of times that you'll be rejected, the percentage rates stand by about 90% of that you're going to be rejected. That's a hard thing to accept. Like, that breaks down all your barriers of resiliency and self-worth. And every time you get rejected, what's even worse is when you don't get rejected at all. So what are some tools that we can use? So I like to use other tools that are in the box. Like, I understand there's value in job boards. So LinkedIn, Indeed, that's 92% of the population uses those, okay? I'm never going to tell you not to use them. I'm just going to say keep your eyes open for other things. All right, so as I was talking about earlier, unique research sources. So this is all I would do. Like, this is as simple as it is. All right. So my favorite, these are the ones that I have starred in my Google inbox. IT Brew, it's part of Morning Brew, which has I think like 100 million users or subscribers. TLDR, it's a 3-minute synopsis of everything in cybersecurity. They do a lot more than that, and it's pretty interesting. Bad Cyber, same thing. And then This Week in Security. So these are a few of my favorite things to look at. So Google them, subscribe, put them, and then every time you get something, look it up, research it. I promise you're gonna learn, and it'll make the experience better, and it'll also make you more prepared.